Still just fizzy water. Hi, how's it going? You can't answer that question, and I don't know why I ask, but I'm gonna keep doing it because that's what crazy people do. Hi, pals! Thanks for tuning into my channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. That's the handle on your screen right now, and I have a website underneath that handle. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. You can visit that website, and you can see things that are from this box. Well, not this box right away. That'll be up Friday. But things from other boxes are up there for sale right now. You can check it out if you want, or don't do that. Your choice. Hope everyone's weekend is going swimmingly. And I mean, I hope you went swimming, because it's probably warm out. This is a box. This is a beater box. This beater box comes to us from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a closed membership-only beater box program, but it's still a really cool shop. If you're in the Bay Area for Sneaker Con, you should check out their shop, solesupremacy.com. Good stuff. How much was this box? $5.50? This box was $550 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. See you at Complex Con next weekend. I'm going. Say hi if you want. For a grand total of $590. Yeah. These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good chance to make some money on it, but follow along with clearance. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary marketplace. And then we're gonna break it down at the end to show you how much I paid for the box versus how much it's actually worth. So let's open the box and find out what's inside. Probably shoes and stuff. Hey, my last box was $1,300. You can check that out right there if you really want to. It was a good box, but it was good weird. Is that a thing? No? Okay. This box is open. I'm not even gonna worry about that flap. Hey, that's a good trend that's happening this week. No loose shoes. Let's grab the first box. This is an Air Jordan 9 Retro in a size 9. Boop, 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 boo. These have no laces, that's kind of annoying. But it's a pair of anthracite 9s. 23 on the back. This is the year he went and played baseball. These are lightly worn. A little bit of wear on the bottoms. Uppers are pretty clean though. This like gray, low pile suede kind of thing going on here. Black midsole, It's not the best looking shoe in the world because it's a 9, and then just also not really a colorway I'm fond of. The laces are missing. I mean, look for yourself, there's no laces. So I'll probably have to order laces, or I'll just sell them without the laces, I guess. Size 9 anthracite 9s with no laces. It's kind of weird. Let's keep going. This is a size Air. Size 9 Air Jordan 13 Retro. Boop, 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 boo. Ooh, I think these are Black Cat 13s. Whatever it is, it's an all black colorway. Even black midsole, black pods. I mean, it's triple black colorway on an Air Jordan 13. Not a huge fan of 13s. The clear plastic thing is off of the hologram there, which is kind of a bummer, but good size, and a lot of people really like triple black colorways. I don't. I'm weird. I have no fashion sense whatsoever, but a little bit of wear on the bottoms. Just a really clean colorway. I mean, you can see the upper is really, really nice. No, it came out in 2016, so it was relatively new. Good shape, easy 9 out of 10 condition with the original box and everything. Size 9, Air Jordan 13 Black Cats, I think. Not 100% sure on the nickname of them, but it is a triple black 13. There's some Adidas in here. Let's see. This is not an Adidas, there's another Adidas box in there. But this is a Kyrie 3 BHM. Pretty much gives it away. It is a not dead stock pair of Kyrie 3 Black History Months. Yeah. Not really much to say, it's a simple Kyrie 3. It's a black colorway with a white swoosh, gray outsole. There's really, really cool looking design on it. Apparently Kyrie 3s especially are really good for basketball. I don't really know. Size, what'd I say, 10.5? 10.5, Kyrie 3 BHMs. These run small, so if you probably have to size up. If you're a size 10, these will fit you, I would assume, I think. I don't know, I have weird feet, so. Usually my true to size is an 11, and in Kyrie 3s I have to wear a 12. So there's that. Yeah, there's some Adidas in here. Got a size 10 NMDR1. This is a worn pair of, I don't remember the name of these. I think I had them before. but it's got the red strap on the back. It's an NMDR1, so it's got these little block thingies down here. It's kind of like static looking upper. Very lightly worn. NMDs are somewhat comfortable from what I understand. You can see the outsoles are kind of worn. Guy can clean them up. Whoever wore these didn't wear them much, because usually with NMDs especially, there's a lot of heel drag going on with worn pairs, but this is not too bad. It's got all the lines and everything. So size 10 is a weird size for me to sell. It's an NMDR1. I don't remember the name of it, and I'm not an Adidas guy, so I will never know the name of it unless I look it up, which I do after the video. Got another size 10 NMDR1. These are at least dead stock. I don't know what these are called. It's this all black colorway with this like bright red outsole, and it's got this like Adidas writing on the other side. It's Adidas, the brand with the 3 stripes, the normal thing that you see on Adidas but the lace tips are that kind of bright red colorish. I don't know what these are called. Kind of a clean shoe, I guess. I'm not a huge fan of NMDs. I'm not really a huge fan of anything, apparently, according to any of my videos, but these are clean. They're size 10. They're unworn, so that's cool, I guess. Size 10 NMDR1. Some kind of black and almost looks like a coral type colorway. Almost looks like the colorway for a lot of Jeff Staples stuff. So we got 3 more in here. There's a good amount of shoes in here. Back to Jordans. This is an Air Jordan 10 in a size 8.5. Another pair of double nickels in a size 8.5. So now, wait, are the other ones 8.5? I don't remember. Hold on, they're over there. Yeah. I have 2 size 8.5 double nickel 10s now in pre-owned condition. These are in basically the same condition, I guess. So not really much to say. I like the contrast of the upper and the midsole and the outsole too. So it's a really, really nice shoe, I guess. Size 8.5 is an okay size. Double nickel 10s. Next shoe out. Cool. So we got 2 more in here. They look like 4s. Yeah, both of them are 4s. Let's grab this here one. This is a size 10 Air Jordan 4 Retro. LS, lifestyle, so figured it was either gonna be Oreos or Legend Blues, and guess what? It is a pair of Legend Blues, and these are in actually probably the best shape of any of the Legend Blues I've ever gotten in. A little bit of toe box creasing. Leather on these is really soft, it's really good. Outsole's very lightly worn. Star retention on this one is great, hardly any heel drag. No cracking on the midsole as far as I can tell. So this is actually a really clean pair of Jordan 4s, Legend Blue. Comes with original everything. I don't know if the hang tag is in here. That would be pretty awesome if it is, but not surprising at all if it isn't, because people collect them. Got them from Shoe Palace, so that's cool. These came out like 2015, I think. Maybe the value on these is probably between 150 and 175 in this condition especially. So there you go, size 10, Legend Blue 4s. It's funny when you see a shoe that you see a lot, but you only see it in bad condition. Then when you see it in really good condition, it's like a totally different shoe. That made absolutely no sense. So the last pair in here is an Air Jordan 4 as well. It's a size 10 as well. This is a pair of 2012 Bread 4s. These are in pretty okay shape. Just a little bit of midsole cracking by the Air unit and on the medial side by the arch, which is very common for 4s especially. A lot of people got rid of their 4s because of the 2019 version that released. The biggest difference is, of course, the Jumpman on the heel tab instead of the Nike Air. A lot of people prefer the Nike Air because it is an OG feature, but I mean, it's a size 10, not a great size. The box is kind of beat up and there's no hang tag. I can't imagine these are worth nearly anything what they would be if they were in better shape and also had everything with it. So there's your last shoe, a size 10, Jordan 4 from 2012, Bread colorway. And that is a 550 Sole Supremacy beater box. It's pretty standard. Let's go through it and give it a grade. Boop-a-doop. Hey, 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 pairs of shoes in this $550 Sole Supremacy beater box, and one of them is dead stock. I'm pretty sure all of them have the original box, and they're all in okay shape. Condition on this box, I gotta be consistent with the rest of the videos. Probably about a B. Sizes, we have 9, 9, 10, 10 again, another 10, a fourth 10, 10.5, and 8.5. Sizes are actually not too bad. 10 is an okay size, but nothing big, nothing too small.
That's what she said.
Sizes on this box will say about an A-. Value! This is a pretty standard $550 box that's gonna make some pretty good money for us. So value on this box, I gotta give it a pretty solid A. So with the grade of B for condition, the grade of A- for sizes, and the grade of A for value, this $550 box of beaters, from Sole Supremacy. Ugh. Gets a letter grade of A-. Look at that. I think I graded this box pretty fair at A-, but hey, let's look at the numbers and see how much money we're gonna make from the box. Woo!
Big dog!
It's a pretty good box. I don't really mind it at all. I mean, like I said before, it's a pretty standard $550 box. I much prefer these kind of boxes as opposed to the really pricey boxes, but the next video, you guys, I'm a dumb hypocrite and I bought a box that was $2,450. So that'll be up Friday. But these shoes will be on my website this Friday, ransomnodesneakers.com. Lots of shoes up there right now. Appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I went to a sneaker event this weekend. Actually, today, I'm at a sneaker event today. Magic. So I'll be doing a vlog style thing, hopefully with a shaky smartphone, because I don't have one of those thingies. What's it called? A Gooblan? Gibgorb? I don't really know. So we'll be vlogging that for the heck of it. So that'll be cool. So until next time, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated. See you later. Look at you being patient. Hey, find Lego Homer Simpson right now, and the first person to DM me on Instagram at SBXMitch, you're gonna win something. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna send you something. Find Lego Homer Simpson, DM me, and you win a prize.